So hi everyone, today we'll try to understand how we can use a modified z-score method to determine outliers and anomalies in the dataset. So first of all, let us understand what is a z-score. Z-score is the traditional method of determining outliers within a dataset, which uses the formula the series minus the mean of the series upon the standard deviation of the series. Now, why we need modified z-score? This is because if you have observed the formula for z-score, as I told you just now, it involves mean. Now mean itself is not a robust outliers, that you all know. So eventually a modified z-score is a modified version of the z-score method, which uses a median value. So let's understand how what is the mathematics behind how it is calculated. So first of all, you need to calculate the median for the data set. The second step is to first of all center the series. So in centering the series, what we would be doing is that series minus the median. So in case of z-score, we were subtracting the mean. Here we are subtracting the median and then calculating the median of the centered absolute series. Makes sense? So what after centering the series, we need to take the absolute values of the series and eventually calculate the median of this centered series. Now the third part would be calculating the modified z-score for each sample. So what is the formula? 0.6745 into centered absolute series, as we calculated in the second step, upon mad, median absolute deviation, that we calculated that taking the median of the absolute centered series. Now, any absolute value which is over the threshold setup, the modified z-score for any value which goes over the threshold will be taken as an outlier. So here you can see the formula for reference. Here you can see that how in the end step we are setting up a threshold, and eventually any absolute modified z-score value for any sample which is greater than threshold is taken as an outlier.